Josh!
Get at me!
You're welcome.
Alright. So, I don't have the glue gun today because I was worried from the smell and she took it back. So next class you can use glue gun. But I'm still going to go over the steps with you. First, you need to cut a little X in the middle of the leg. Alright? With that exact line. Okay? Just not yet. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you cut a little bit, not too big. And then when you finish, I have pencil. If you don't have one, you can come ask me to get a pencil. And then you stick to it. Don't cut your hole too big because that won't hold the pencil. So put the pencil all the way up there and use glue gun to glue around the pencil so you will stick this and make sure it's when you turn it's not turning this like this, it's turning flat. And then you can, each one of you will get this, right? Get one. Alright. And then you have a smaller one, you can use the smaller one. Okay? Like I'm doing this for Josh right now. So you use this black one to measure the length you need for the black strip on the leg and make sure it's really against the wall, alright? And then later you use a pen or pencil to make a mark where you started, right here. Can everybody see?
Oh yeah, that was me.
Right here. Okay, right here, started.
Do you know who I think should get it?
You need to make a mark. So, see, that's where I started, so I made a mark.
Put a cut there.
You guys, not yet. That's the tricky part. If you cut there, there's no place for you to put them together.
Do you know who
Bad.
Alright.
Is she Asian?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright?
I don't know.
You alright? Alright, so that's,
I love the
Is
Georgina.
that all we can do today?
Yeah.
there are a lot for you to do.
Is she the one with like glasses?
And then, so you put a line here to remind yourself where it starts. It's fine. As long as you make sure that it's solid, touching the bed against the wall of the bed. Alright, so here's the tricky part. We don't cut from here. We leave a quarter of an inch over here. Okay? Come on. We leave a quarter of an inch over here on the left side of the line. Okay? So that way, see, I leave a quarter of an inch right here. So when you put it together, it has a place for you to put glue stick together and then overlap it. Okay?
I still am.
Alright, so when you finish this, make sure you draw a straight line on the mark you just made.
Yeah.
And then from that mark to the end of the strip, make equal space, at least 8 of them. Okay? At least 8 of them. I would say the more space you make, the easier it's going to be across the strip. Okay? I made 8 when I did this, and I have hard time to come up with animation because you need to think through it. Okay?
So we should have more than 8 if we can.
Yes, if you can make more than 8, that would be easier for you. Okay? After you divide it into equal space,
How's 16?
then that's good. Divide it by 10, then each one has 1.6.
I do like 1 inch each.
Yeah, 1.6 for each one. If you have 16, right? 1.6 each for each space you have. Well, you can divide it into 16, then each one will have